work now. I had to work some overtime. Want to work some overtime because I got Daytona's less than, when this video goes live today, Daytona's less than 4 days away. I leave for Daytona. Oh, I cannot wait. So now, time to go home and do some Daytona prep. So, Daytona prep's going alright so far. I had to go back to Walmart to buy a hitch pin and a bicycle cable log. That's for my Yeti cooler. This is for something else y'all are going to see in a little bit. This Daytona prep's going pretty good so far. So right now I'm heading downtown. I'm meeting up with Hunter and maybe Colin. We're going to go see Deadpool 2. So we might be going to do that. But anyways, I got something in my nose. Good lord. As you can see, it's kind of a weird day in these cities. There's a rainbow. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's a rainbow over there. Kind of a weird day of off and on showers and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what's kind of going on right now, guys. I'm sorry if the vlogs and stuff have been kind of sporadic this past, week or so, or 2 weeks. It's been really crazy at work and school and trying to get ready for Daytona and whatnot. But I want to thank you all seriously for all of the for all your patience and stuff like that. I know it's kind of be hard to keep up with everything, but make sure you turn that post notifications on to make sure you see when my video pops up, because sometimes it's late, because YouTube's been acting kind of weird lately when it comes to uploads. But so yeah, right now we're heading into downtown Knoxville, so we'll be there shortly. Hey guys, it's just a little mini photo shoot with the truck in front of the BBT in the First Tennessee building in downtown. I got a new phone, the iPhone X. I'll be posting the pictures up of it here in about a little bit, right? It's popping up right about now, actually. Let me know how you like the photos. I don't know how it'll turn out in the video quality, thanks to like the editing software and whatnot, but on the phone, man, excuse me, they just look good. But it's a weird day out. You can see like clouds like raining over there. It's kind of just a weird day out, but we got kind of the downtown thing going on right now. Got the truck looking good, waiting on Hunter to come by, show up. God, on 12 wide, she looks daggum good. And she's nasty right now. I mean, look at all this stuff. Just complete grossness from the rain and stuff. It's what happens at 12 wide. And look at the back end on this truck. Just throws it all up. It's disgusting. Fire department's here. But, yeah. Got the truck looking good. Looking real good, actually. Okay, guys, it's Sunday. Me and my lovely babe. We're out.
Caitlin.
I gotta drive. We're out doing some Daytona shopping. We're actually doing very good about it. We only have one bag each.
Well, I've been shopping for Daytona, so he doesn't know how much I've actually spent, which is fine. But may I assure you, though, it's way more than just one bag.
I don't know how I feel about this.
You're fine.
Hey, this is why I don't let her borrow my credit card.
I've never asked once because I know you ain't got no money, so I'm kidding.
This is the abuse I have to deal with.
Big Daddy's Pizzeria.
But anyways, we're gonna go down we're in Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge right now, guys. We're about to go down into Pigeon Forge area,
I got hair on my lip and I'm pretty sure they can see. It won't come off.
We're about to go down the island and check out some stuff out down there. But anyways, we're what, 3 days away from leaving?
Yeah.
3 freaking days and we'll be in damn Daytona.
In 3 freaking days, we'll have a 9-hour car drive.
That's not that bad.
I mean, I'll just sleep.
Yeah, you're just gonna sleep the whole time.
Yeah.
And I'll just make jokes about you filming while you're sleeping.
Okay, well now I'm definitely not gonna sleep. Thanks for that.
That should be like bloodshot by the end of it, like.
I know.
So there's a minivan in front of us with the decal Mama Bear on it. Kaylin, how do you feel about that?
I feel like she's not even along. Watch it happen.
Then why does she have the decal on the back?
She wants to look cool.
It's a Grand Caravan with an RT badge, race and track racer. Your minivan can go on tracks.
Oh,
wow. Bet it's got a whole 200 horsepower too.
Getting coffee.
Alright guys, we just got done shopping for Daytona. We're pretty much done until we get down there. So look, we got some groceries.
Got some flip-flops. Hold on, let me show them. I want to show y'all my flip-flops.
She wants to show you guys her flip-flops.
I got them on sale for $17.99.
Tell your girlfriends this, guys. Brownie points.
Both at Belk. And I got these.
Ooh, look at those.
I know, they're really cute.
Just like you, babe.
And you are acting like a fool in front of the camera because you don't say that shit in front of me. So, I don't want to hear you.
See the abuse I take?
And then I got another pair. I thought these were cute.
Those are nice.
Thank you. Okay, that's all.
And I got swim trunks from Oakley. They were on sale. That's one thing I bought.
I have to say, I only buy stuff on sale.
Yeah, we like to find sales. Just switch it up today and go with a cranberry Red Bull. Yeah, do something a little bit different. Oh yeah. Get my baby Ball For Me by Post Malone is like one of my new favorite songs at the moment. His whole, fun fact about me, I don't really get into albums very much or like releases like that with songs and whatnot. I like certain individual songs from artists and stuff like that, but like a whole album, the new Post Malone album he released is one of my only albums I ever really liked. But go check it out, guys, because I absolutely love this song, Ball For Me. Right now I'm playing it on Pandora too. Yay, Walmart. So much fun. Hey guys, I just got done with Walmart. As you can see, I got the last minute stuff for the truck for the Daytona and an extra chair so I can put it in the toolbox and some food for the house, but that's beside the point. Got last minute stuff for Walmart. But as I was walking around Walmart, I kind of came to this idea and I want to run it by you guys to see if y'all will like it. Because I walked through the electronics section to see what kind of deals they have on. Back when I was 15, 16, a little bit into 17, I was really big into gaming. I watched all the big gaming channels on YouTube. C-Nanners, you know, Hutch, and all them Machinima guys from Machinima kind of, I don't know what even happened to Machinima, but really big into it. I love the Call of Duty series, I love the Battlefield series, I love all that series. I got out of it because I got really busy and stuff, but would you all like the idea of me starting that back up to where I can invite you all to come play with me? Either make a separate channel itself called TW Gaming, or make a channel that or put like a video series on Trucks and Water itself, like gaming with Trucks and Water, or doing mostly games that involve trucks, like doing GTA 5 or something like that. It would be for you all to come in and play with me. Now, I don't know which, I was a PlayStation fan because I had an Xbox 360, it Red Ring of Death twice on me, so I went with PlayStation. I had great luck with PlayStation, but the new console, you really don't have to worry about that anymore. Stupid. Anyways, should I go at Xbox One or PlayStation 4? Comment down below if you all think I should do that or not. It's just an idea, guys. I don't know if I'm doing it yet or not, but it's just an idea I'm floating around in my head. But comment down below if you think that'd be a cool idea to play with me and whatnot. So that way I can reach out to more of a fan base than I can right now. Alright guys, I'm in my garage. I got the garage cleared out so I can work on my truck. I'm getting the interior cleaned down the truck because it hasn't been cleaned down in 3 to 4 weeks. I try to do it every 2 weeks, but this past month has been absolutely nuts. So, getting the truck ready for Daytona. I'm going to clean out the interior. I got the floor mats out. Got all my stuff out of it, so we're going to start cleaning out the interior, trying to get that ready to go, armor all it, wipe it down, stuff like that. And then, unfortunately, as you can see outside, it's raining, so I can't exactly, like, clean my truck. I'll probably do it down Daytona. But I got some wipes and stuff for that, so we'll do it. We'll make sure it's clean before the show, guys. Don't worry about that. But, when this video goes live, I think it's going to go, probably Tuesday it'll be live. The day afterwards, I'm leaving for Daytona. So, It can't come soon enough, trust me guys, I'm so excited. Alright guys, as my Ariana Grande keeps playing on my thing, let's pause it. Come to find out, yeah, it was a catalytic converter, but for some reason it's acting fine now. I don't know what it is. It's not the fuel pump because I replaced it at 195,000 miles. It's got 223 on it now, and on my truck, before it went out, the last month before it went out, it whined. Like, you could hear it over the engine. It was whining so bad. This one's whisper quiet. Ever since I put it in the truck, or my shop put it in the truck, it's been whisper quiet, and no loss of power, nothing like that. So, knock on truck, I'm 99.9% sure it's not the fuel pump. It was a catalytic converter that would cause it, because catalytic converters can cause that. But like I said, the check engine light's not on. It's running perfect, starts right up, so I don't... Maybe it had a faulty O2 sensor in it that finally unclogged itself, or it got something on it. I don't know. But the truck is fine. Thank you all so much for the comments on that, asking, saying what your opinion was and stuff like that. I very, 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 very much appreciate that. So, thank you all so much for that. Alright guys, the toner prep is pretty much done. I got the interior cleaned up. Made it look a whole lot nicer. Made it smell a whole lot better. Changed out my black eyes. Shout out to my girlfriend for getting me this for Valentine's Day. She got me a pack of these. They're awesome. Plus these from Walmart and made the truck interior smell so much better. But anyways, it's pretty much almost done. And then we leave Wednesday morning to head down to Daytona. So I cannot wait to go down. It's going to be a lot of fun. Got the truck ready. I mean, it's just going to be a lot of fun, guys. So, comment down below if you're being Daytona, guys. Make sure you look out for me at the truck meet. Remember, Friday, 1 p.m., the Horn Blasters group is the official meet and greet of me and Trucks and Water and everyone. I'm going to be, of course, walking around the whole event the whole time, but that's the official time where you can meet me. I'll be at my truck. So, of course, the ad will be popping up right now for that. Truck's ready to go. She's ready for it. I cannot wait to head down, guys. It's gonna be awesome.